Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure AirPods have enough charge and the case lid is open. On your Lenovo, open Settings and enable Bluetooth so the adapter is active. This is required because Windows must scan. Once done, press and hold the small button on the back of the AirPods case until the LED flashes white. That tells you the earbuds are in pairing mode. You do this because it makes the AirPods discoverable. Without discoverable mode, the Lenovo cannot complete the connection. You now complete the pairing. On Lenovo, choose Add Bluetooth or other device, then Bluetooth, and tap the AirPods entry when it appears. After Windows reports connected, open Sound Settings and set AirPods as both the playback and recording device so audio and microphone route correctly. Next, confirm any permission prompts. Those enable call and media profiles. If you see two listings, pick the one labeled headphones or stereo for best music quality. Choose hands-free, only for calls when necessary. You finish by testing. Play a video to check sound and open voice recorder, or join a quick call to verify the mic. If audio drops or latency appears, make sure the Lenovo Bluetooth driver is current, update via Device Manager, and reduce distance or interference. If problems persist, reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until amber then white, then repair. This clears profiles and resolves many mismatched settings, ensuring a clean connection and stable audio experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.